60 years ago, foreign powers pointed a gun at Ghana's head and pulled the trigger. Today, we still call our gateway by the assassin's name. This is not conspiracy. This is documented fact. Your own government won't tell you, but the evidence is public. Kwame Nkrumah built modern Ghana. The coup destroyed it. And 60 years later, we're still exporting raw cocoa and importing chocolate. Still exporting gold and importing jewelry. Still exporting our future. Ghana. Let's name what everyone knows but won't say. The resistance to naming this airport after Nkrumah is not about his flaws. It's about tribalism. Akan versus Uwe versus Ga mathematics. The very poison the colonizer left behind to keep us divided. Your government's solution? Remove the coup plotter's name. Good. Replace it with Accra International. Cowardice. From honoring our assassin to honoring a city? This is not progress. This is surrender. Great nations name their gateways after the people who built them. Flawed people, controversial people, but builders. Small nations hide behind geography. Ghana, which do you choose to be? Accra International Airport teaches your children that Ghana has no story worth telling, no heroes worth naming, no future worth claiming. Is this what you want to pass down? Yes, Nkrumah was authoritarian. Yes, he detained opponents. Yes, he made economic mistakes. And he built this nation. Mature nations honor complicated founders. Children need simplicity. Adults hold complexity. Ghana, which are you? This is not just Ghana's crisis. This is continental betrayal. Ghana was supposed to lead Africa, and Nkrumah was Africa's prophet. If you cannot even name your airport after him, what message does this send? That Pan-African unity died where it was born. Your youth know the answer. Your elders who remember know the answer. Only your politicians, trapped in tribal mathematics and foreign debt, pretend not to know. The people are ready. Are the leaders? You don't honor founders because they were perfect. You honor them because without them, you don't exist. Every great nation understands this. It's time Ghana learned. Kwame Nkrumah International Airport. Every arrival, every departure, every child who hears it asks, who was he? And thereby inherits the knowledge that Ghana was built by vision and can be built again. Accra guarantees the future you've had for 60 years. Stagnation, brain drain, dependency. Nkrumah opens the possibility of what you almost became. Sovereign, industrial, great. Ghana, you stand at a crossroads. The safe choice, Accra, is the coward's choice. It is tribalism's victory disguised as compromise. The brave choice, Nkrumah, is the only path to resurrection. Nkrumah told you 69 years ago, Ghana's meaning is continental. By refusing to honor him, you betray not just yourselves, but all of Africa. The continent needs Ghana to lead again, not with weakness, not with tribal politics, not with cowardice, but with the courage to claim your founder, face your history, and build your future. Name it Nkrumah, and watch Africa follow. Kwame Nkrumah International Airport, not because he was perfect, but because he was ours. Not to erase his flaws, but to claim our story, not to divide, but to finally transcend division. This is the name. This is the path. This is Ghana's resurrection. The future is watching, Ghana. Your children, your grandchildren, the continent, history itself. When they ask why you chose what you chose, what will you tell them? That you were brave enough to claim your founder, or that you were too tribalized, too afraid, too small? Choose now. Choose wisely. The clock is ticking. Africa is waiting. Name it Nkrumah. We are Power Africa, and we will not let you forget what's at stake.